Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the part 5 of the Ford F-250 rebuild. Let me update you guys on this Ford, what else I got done to it and what else I need to get done to it. So let's get started. Alright, so right off the bat, this is the old front wheel. I did say I was going to get it repaired, but I took it to the repair shop and they could not get it repaired, so I had to buy a brand new one from eBay. Here it is. So basically the front tire needs to be mounted onto that. I will get that done today. I'll probably take it to the tire shop today, but other than that, the outside is pretty much completely done, and I already have all the airbags, everything for this truck. So now all I have to do to this truck is pretty much take the headliner down, replace both of the roof airbags, put in the module, and also the seat belt needs to be installed, and both seat airbags were deployed, so I do have to install them, and I have to take these seats to get them reupholstered, and then once they're reupholstered I can install them back in here, and hopefully I can get all this in one video, because to reupholster it might take a couple days, so I will try to get this done in one video. Hopefully it doesn't take too long for me to wait for the seats. But other than that, guys, I think this is gonna be pretty much it. That's pretty much the update I have on it. Alright guys, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this seat and install both of the seat airbags inside. That way I can take the seats to get them reupholstered on the side where it ripped from the airbag being deployed. And then once I'm done with that, I will move on to the roof airbags, replace both of those, and I will reinstall the SRS module. Alrighty guys, both of the airbags are installed inside the seats now. All I have to do is take the seat to get re-stitched, so that should be pretty simple. Everything looks good. Now we're going to move on to the inside and start removing the roof airbags and replacing. So now we're going to go ahead and start removing the passenger side curtain airbag. Alright guys, so the passenger airbag is replaced. The reason why I didn't have it on camera is because of this headliner. It's in the way, so I couldn't really get a good picture of it. Now I'm going to go ahead and replace the driver's side. Probably going to have it off camera as well because of the headliner, and then I'm going to show you guys once it's replaced. Alrighty guys, the driver's side airbag is replaced, and now I can assemble everything back together. Should be pretty simple. and then we will probably install the module, or I might just wait till the seats are completely done. That way all the airbags are installed and the module will be the last thing.
All right, so the headliner is back installed. Everything is back in its spot and it looks perfect. Now we're going to move on to installing this seat belt and buttoning up all the panels here. Alrighty guys, the seat belt is installed, so everything is pretty much ready on the inside except the seats. Now I'm just gonna have to wait a couple more days until they're done restitching them up, and then I will reinstall everything here. And then this truck, all it needs to get done is just to get detailed, and that should be it for this truck. Alrighty guys, so both of the seats are back and they are sewed up. They look perfectly fine, and here is the passenger seat. It looks great. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bring in the truck over here and I will install the seats, and hopefully the SRS light will turn off. Alrighty guys, so the truck is back inside the shop. Just a quick little tip for some of you guys that have never done this before. Before connecting the final pieces, which is the seats, I am going to unplug the battery because I still have to connect the SRS module. And sometimes if the battery is not connected, it is possible that all the airbags will deploy, and we definitely don't want this here. Alright, so the battery is disconnected now, and first thing I'm gonna do is install the SRS module, and then we'll move on to the seats. Alrighty guys, both of the seats are installed and everything is plugged in. Now it's time to reconnect the batteries, and it's the moment of truth. Yeah, buddy. No airbag light, but we do have the traction control on. I'm gonna connect my scanner and see what is that all about. And I'm back, guys. The truck is finally officially done. My detailing guys finally completely finished it. I don't know when was the last time I was recording on this thing, but I do apologize once again that it's been taking me a while to post this video. It's just I've been waiting on a few things. I believe it was the roof airbags and the seat airbag, and then I had to get the seats restitched, and now the truck is completely done. Let's go ahead and take it for a little spin, and then I'm gonna pull over somewhere and I'm gonna show you guys how the truck looks like when it's finally finished. Alrighty, taking it out for a little spin. This thing drives straight. Alignment was done. Everything is perfect with it. So now I'm gonna pull over and do a quick walk around of the truck. Alrighty guys, here she is. Nice and clean looking truck. And this thing is a monster. This thing is pretty huge. Nice and clean all around. Here's this side, and then going back to the front. Man, it's a beauty. All right, let's check inside, see how they cleaned it out inside. I don't know if you guys remember or not, but man, this thing was filthy. Nice and clean everywhere. I think they did a pretty good job. Amazing. Now let's check the engine bay, see how they did over there. I hadn't even looked over there. Nice and clean engine bay. That's perfect, guys. That's a wrap. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this build. I hope you guys enjoyed this series. It was very short, but it was very fun to build actually. And at the end, this truck is a clean title, so that is a win-win situation for me. So with all that being said, guys, if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button, like my videos, share them with your friends, and follow me on Instagram at Rebuild with Nick. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.